What the Tripura police have done is extremely disappointing. Instead of taking action against the people who've been rioting and spreading hate in the state, they've chosen to harass and go after the people who were trying to stop the fire, who have been calling for justice and for peace to return for almost for the last 2-3 weeks now. And this action of filing an FIR under UAPA against under an anti-terror law against people who were just showing the reality. They were showing what we now know to be true. People have gone to Tripura. There are eyewitness accounts. It's evident, it's clear that these mosques were attacked, that places of worship and houses were attacked, and the Tripura High Court has taken suo motu cognizance of it. It's reprehensible that the police, knowing everything that has happened, and in fact having allowed everything that has happened to happen, they have now gone ahead and filed this ridiculous FIR against people who are just trying to highlight a terrible situation, trying to shed light on a terrible situation, and trying to get somebody to restore calm and to take action against the culprits. But unfortunately, this is something we've seen from the very beginning, from the last 2-3 weeks when this violence started. Tripura police has been deflecting and denying instead of actually going out and making sure that Hindutva vigilante mobs do not attack Muslim places of worship, houses, and communities. So that's some, and it's very, with what they've done now, it's even clearer that this wasn't negligence, this wasn't inefficiency, this was actually willful, this was intentional, and unfortunately, this is part of this political ecosystem way we have where hate and violence against minorities is being rewarded. And the CM Biplab Kumar Dev knows that if he wants to be Yogi, if he wants to be Modi, he has to allow things like this to happen. And instead of going after the perpetrators of the violence, he has to go after those who have been fighting for justice. But this is not going to silence anyone. And it's, as far as the FIR is concerned, it's completely laughable. Any first-year law student will tell you that this is a ridiculous case, and I'm sure that whenever it goes to courts, it'll be thrown out and laughed out.